Objectives of presentation: to give a better awareness and understanding of the regulations concerning the suitability of materials used to construction scaffolds, the manner in which these materials erected form the more common types of scaffolds. Hazards: falls may occur while climbing on or off the scaffold, working on unguarded scaffold platforms, when scaffold platforms or planks fail. Full hazards: employees working on scaffolds are exposed to these hazards. Falls from elevation, caused by slipping, unsafe access, the lack of fall protection and bad planking, giving way. Electrocution, from overhead power lines. What is a scaffold? A scaffold is a temporary structure which provides access from which persons may work. It can also be used to support materials or equipment. Type of scaffolding: scaffolding consisting of 2 rows or more of standards connected together longitudinally with ledgers and braces and transversely with transoms or putlogs. Stationary scaffolds can be built up as high as the job requirements dictate. The vertical M. Type of scaffolding: a mobile scaffold usually has 4 standards, 1 at each corner. These can be placed on the ground and wheels, caster, are used, so that the scaffold can be moved. Indoor mobile scaffold: this mobile system scaffold was erected and needing rakes to add stability. Base plate: this is a metal plate with a peg in the middle used under the standards. Used for distributing and spreading the load from the standard to the scaffold's foundation. In some cases, a screw jack is attached to maintain the leveling of the platform it is erected on the unleveled ground. Right angle coupler: right angle coupler are also known as a double coupler. Used to connect ledgers to the standards. They have been designed and tested to achieve a right angle connection with a maximum safe working load of 630 kg. Putlog coupler, also called clips and single clamp. Used to connect the transoms to the ledgers. These fittings are only suitable for light-duty use only. Swivel coupler. Swivel couplers are used to connect 2 tubes at any angle through 360 degrees. Normally used to connect the bracing to the scaffold. The swivel coupler should never be used as a right-angle coupler. Girder coupler. Girder coupler, commonly known as beam clamp. This coupler is used to connect the scaffolding pipe into the beam. This fitting shoe always used in pairs to prevent movement. It has a safe working tension load of 315 kg if used in pairs. Wheels caster. Wheels, casters, are used on towers allowing them to be moved. Wheels, casters, have two locking systems. One is to connect the wheel to the standard. Wheels caster. Wheels, casters, are used on towers allowing them to be moved. Wheels, casters, have two locking systems. One is to connect the wheel to the standard.